Hey guys, welcome back to Devi's Law Capsule, and this is Devi Sanal. In this video, you will get important topics in public international law which are repeatedly asked for the LLB university exams. And for the PDF notes, you can check the description of this video. Okay? And also, if you are watching my video for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. First, let's see some of the essay topics, and here you have to go through topics like sources of international law in general and custom and treaty in particular. Next, about National Human Rights Commission, its functions and contributions. Composition and jurisdiction of International Court of Justice. Powers, functions and composition of Security Council. Next, you have to concentrate on topics like recognition, UNO, state succession and theories of state succession, privileges and immunities enjoyed by diplomatic envoys. Next, about the philosophical foundation of concept of human rights. Define international law. Explain whether international law is true law or not. Next, you have to focus on topics like UDHR, state succession, state jurisdiction. Explain international law is a vanishing point of jurisprudence. How far rights of women, children and other marginalized groups are protected under international law. Another important area is nationality, double nationality and statelessness. Explain the different schools and theories of international law with critical assessment upon them. Analyze the role of international organization in the maintenance of international peace and security. Next is, what is asylum? How is it different from extradition? Explain different kinds of asylum. Next, you have to concentrate on topics like TRIPS, WTO and WIPO and their interrelationship. Explain the main theories regarding recognition, freedom of air, what is corruption, what are the cause and effects of corruption, and do you think that corruption should be conceptualized as a human rights violation? Next, you have to go through the relationship between international law and municipal law, de jure recognition, modes of acquiring state territory, principles of criminal jurisdiction under international law. Critically analyze the view that international law is not a true law with special reference to naturalist and positivistic approach. Now let's see 2-mark questions, and in that you have to focus on topics like custom and usage, contributions of Hugo Grotius, constitutive theory and declarative theory, double veto, UNO, TRIPS, UDHR, International Labour Organization, state succession, universal succession and partial succession, international law, its nature and origin. Next, you have to concentrate on topics like nationality, pacta sunt servanda, sources of international law, piracy, genocide convention, jus cogens, specific adoption theory, immunities and privileges of diplomats, relationship between international law and municipal law. Next, you have to go through treaty contracts, de facto recognition, protectorial state, corruption-free government, naturalistic theory and realistic theory, first generation of human rights, territorial sea, rule of double criminality. So friends, these are the repeated important topics in public international law Make sure that you have gone through all these topics, and all the best for your exam. If you find this video useful, please do like, share, subscribe and also press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.